how to draw Maddie. We are going to start by drawing a line that looks like the left side of a heart. Then we are going to outline that line to the right of it. Looks great so far. Learn how to draw up crew. This will be the end of the tail. From the bottom of the right line, we are going to draw a small diagonal line going downwards. Then we are going to draw a long, slightly curved line going across the bottom that connects to the bottom of that diagonal line. Then from the top of that line on the left, we are going to draw a curved line going backwards towards the start of the first line that we drew. Awesome job! Learn how to draw up crew. Now in the middle of the body, we are going to draw a curved line going towards the left that connects to the line we just finished drawing. For the next step, we are going to draw a big half oval on the bottom. Awesome job! Learn how to draw up crew. For the next step, we are going to draw a small diagonal line to the left of the end of the tail connecting to the body. This will be as if it continues right here. Then we are going to draw the rest of the body starting right here. To the right of that line, we are going to draw another one with the same shape. Then we are going to begin drawing Maddie's head. From the top line of the body we just finished drawing, we are going to draw a long M-like shape. Then we are going to draw a curved line connecting from the left side of that M-like shape back to the body. Next, we are going to draw a small line going across the neck, separating the body from the head. Then near the bottom of the face, we are going to draw two curved lines going across. Then above the right side of that curved line, we are going to draw a half circle for the right eye. Then for the left eye, we are going to do the same thing, but we are not going to fully draw the half circle because it will connect to the edge of the face. Then on the top outer side of each one of the eyes, we are going to draw a small triangle-like shape for the eyelashes. Next, on the bottom half of the face, we are going to draw a long curved line for the mouth. Then in the middle above that, we are going to draw two small lines for the nose. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. We're almost done. We just have to finish the eyes. Inside of the left eye, we are going to draw a curved line near the right side. Then we are going to draw a smaller curved line inside of that and color the space in black for the pupil. Then for the right eye, we are going to draw a half circle connecting to the bottom. Then inside of that, we will draw a smaller half circle that will be colored in black. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw a Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.